How to put IGTV swipe up link in story on Instagram. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. Without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, then go down to the profile option that is located down below. As you go down to the profile option, now here you will be able to see that you will have a profile over here. Now, in order to put IGTV swipe up link, you must have more than 10k followers. So if you are having 10k followers, then you can add it by going on this plus option and then going on the IGTV option. But if you are not having this option, then you can do a simple thing, but still you can add the link of your IGTV onto your story. You have to go on the home button and then go to your story option. As you go to your story option, then go to camera. Take any picture. As you take any picture, then go to the sticker option. Now by going to the sticker option, then go down to the link option. As you click on the link option, and now paste the link of your IGTV video over here, and down there you will have an option of customize sticker text. Now over here write IGTV. As you write IGTV over here and click done, now your link will look like this. Now you can drag it over or anywhere, and anybody who will see this text or your story, he will see this text like this on your story, and if he clicks on that, then he will be able to go to your IGTV video account. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. If you also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.